Next, we want to have a sound play when the user bumps into the wall. So I have this splat sound down here. I'm going to put that up, bring that up, drag it in there. And so now I have a splat audio source. I'm not going to play on awake. I don't want it to have play on awake. And it's just going to play. And so next, to get it to happen, I'm going to go to the player object where all of my player script is and open that up. I'll come up here and we will have a game object called splat. Okay, save. Give this a second. And it refreshes. Player object. We'll put splat as splat. Okay, so now we can refer to that in the script. So in the script, when we're figuring out the thing here, what we want to do is we want to say if, let's see, if temp pause dot x greater than 20, and if temp pause x is greater than 20, or temp pause y greater than 20. Now you'll notice I probably want to, because it could be negative or positive, so we're going to say mathf dot mathf dot abs for absolute value temp pause. Okay, so it's going to take the absolute value of x, because it doesn't matter if it's negative or positive, as long as it's bigger than, right? So it's a question of magnitude. So we'll do the same thing over here. I'm going to put some parentheses around temp pause y, and it's math f dot abs greater than 20. If that is true, we are going to say, nope, splat, if I can spell it, splat dot get component audio source dot play. And that is my wife calling in the cat. All right, so let's see. That should work. If in either direction that was too big, it will play the splat sound. Save. Oh my gosh, that was loud. So we know we hit a wall. Turn the flashlight on. 18, 18, 19, 20. Okay. So we might want to actually take the time to turn that volume down on that. So just to take the default down on like half. Wow. That'll be set and saved. And that's still a little bit loud. All right, but now you get the idea. So we can use that so that if we run out of flashlight, at least we can wander around in the dark and hit a wall, so we can figure out sort of where we are, and then you can kind of, feel your way around. So you're like bumping into a wall and you're not totally random. So you can like kind of move up and then move 20 down, and you can move back. It makes the game hard, certainly without the flashlight on, but use your imagination, get more creative than that. Build on that idea. Okay. The last thing, let's see, do we have what sound do I have in here? I have this ping sound, which isn't great, but I'll use the ping sound. So here's this glass ping sound. And what I will do is I will have the glass ping sound play if we hit the target. Okay, so come here. I'm going to recommend that you use like an applause sound or something like that. We'll call it applause or music or something. And here we would say, at the end here, we would say if distance, what's it called? Well, we calculated the distance up here, right? Dist. So we'd say if dist is equal to 0, then, no, not then, applause, whoops, applause dot get component audio source dot play. So the moment dist. Now, you'll notice it says fix floating point number comparing. Compare a difference with epsilon. We could say F there, but the question is, that's going to be pretty darn close. I don't want to say equal to 0. I'm going to say less than or equal to 0.3. And that's going to be close enough. Okay. Save that. Come over here, stop. And I play. Now we remember that we place the object up at 15. So oh, has not been set. Okay, so yeah, here's the problem. We need to say ping, bring ping over here. There's ping. And let's bring our script back. And we will put glass ping on applause for now because I don't have an applause sound. And we'll hit play and turn that off. Come to glass ping. Say don't play on awake. Okay. But now hit play. So you can see it dinged when I hit the object. The best thing would also be if the text changed. So we should do something fancy for the text here as well. We should say, let's see, if dist blah, blah, blah. Okay, we'll also add this down here, which will be, we will add some text that says, you found the target. So we're going to add this text to our text field. And we could say, I'm going to even give them a little information in plus turns. And we'll say turns. So this is sort of the final thing where it's going to say, oh, you found the target in turns, because we've been keeping track of the number of turns, right? Didn't we? Did we do that? Turns plus plus. We added turns every time. So save that. All right. Let's turn the flashlight on. 9 batteries left. That's not good. Turn it on again. Almost there. Okay, found the target. I moved away. 27 turns. So, I don't know if technically, we'll have to reread the instructions, but most of the things, I've demonstrated most of the things in these videos now. So, hopefully your project will look quite different from this. You will have taken the time to have a little bit of a different story. Look at the narrative, look at the ways that I'm checking things compared to some of the things we've done in the lectures and class. But this should give you kind of the background you need. So there's really no excuse to not getting a good quality little sample game out of this. So put your own spin on it, though. I want to see some originality. That's part of being a game programmer is, here there's a little bit of opportunity for doing some game design. So please go ahead and do that. Okay? Have a great one.